Wow.
You want to pet her? You can touch your tail.
Wow, Joey. You are so brave, Joey. Jeremiah, look at this snake. Quickly, Jerry, quickly, before the lady put it back. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna try.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. She's good, so I can keep her out for longer.
Good, Jerry.
It's smelling. Yeah, they use their tongue to see, basically.
Wow, you are too brave.
She lick you. Will she do it? Maybe she knows you guys are there, so she might not do it.
Wow, you
She's
are
long.
brave.
You want to see how long she is?
Oh, wow, look at that. OMG.
She's probably taller than you.
Jeremiah is too brave.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today guys, we're going to this wildlife center and we're so excited to take you with us. All right, so we're like few minutes away and it's so beautiful today, so come and enjoy. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click that bell to activate the notification so that you'll know the next time we drop a new video. All right, enjoy. So guys, we're finally here at Roaring Brook Nature Center, and this place is located in Avon, Connecticut, in the Avons Mountain. Guys, it is a really beautiful place to attend, especially with the children as they learn facts about each animals from all over this beautiful world. So guys, at this point the children are all over the place because they are basically on a scavenger hunt. So how this works is that, you know, they receive a paper in which they will have to search for each animals that are listed on that paper, and if they are lucky enough, at the end they'll receive a prize for all the hard work they have done on their scavenger hunt. So guys, we hope that you'll enjoy this beautiful summer adventure with us. All right, thank you.
It smells so natural in here and it is amazing. Look at this, guys. The children are excited and all over the place. Look at this. I'm not sure what skin is this, but yeah.
Hi.
I can't find this spider.
There's a python over there.
Yeah. Oh, is it real? So guys, we have the black rat snake. Do not touch, do not come too close. Right, Joshua?
Yes.
So how far are you on the scavenger hunt? Whoa, Josh, you find the star nose move. Come on, Josh, you 3 ravens. So you find 2 ravens so far?
Yes.
Yeah,
They're
I know.
up there.
Oh yeah, you found. Oh man, Joshy, nice baby. Say hi to our friends.
Hi.
Tell them how you feel to be here.
Good.
So I want to go
Where's
on.
the python? Down.
This place is beautiful.
I don't see
Beautiful, really beautiful. Pretty turtle. Aww, Mr. Turtle. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Wow, nice. Nice. It's not here, it's beautiful. Very pretty, very unique. Oh, hello. So my name is Monet, right? I'm an Eastern painted turtle. Like all turtles, I hatched from a leathery shell. My favorite food is fairy shrimp. If you come to the glass, I will come to visit you. Don't hurt me by tapping on the glass door. Oh, hello. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, so pretty. That's a beautiful. Yeah. Look at the color. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put her back though, because she just ate.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Wow.
You wanna pet her? You can touch her tail.
Wow, Joey. You are so brave, Joey. Jeremiah, look at this snake. Quickly, Jerry, quickly, before the lady put it back. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna try.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. She's good, so I can keep her out for longer.
Go, Jerry.
Use her tongue to see, basically.
Wow. You are too brave.
She'll lick you. Will she do it? Maybe she knows you guys are there, so she might not do it.
Wow, you
She's
are
long.
brave.
You want to see how long she is?
Oh, wow, look at that. OMG.
She's probably taller than you.
Jeremiah is too brave. Wow, guys.
Doesn't she lick you?
You are too brave. Touch it, Mama. Go, Abby.
They're really friendly. A lot of people think that snakes are
So
mean.
pretty, though. Very pretty.
Yeah. Good
So
thanks.
pretty. Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pogo. Hello, Pogo. How are you? We come to see you. How are you?
I found the last salamander.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Jerry's doing good.
I found this much.
Wow. Josh is doing great. Amazing, Josh. Very friendly. You notice? Don't do that. Don't do that. This is on top of it. Hi, sweetheart. I'm trying to get out. Help me. Help me. Help me. Would you help me get out? Oh. Guys, this place is amazing and the children are having so much fun. We're gonna have to come back another day because we didn't really come in time to like really grasp everything. Oh, look at this. Nice out here. Look at this, guys. There's a little stream right here. It sounds really, really good. I wonder why they call it Roaring Brook. water.
We're still looking for the wood spider.
Nice out here. Guys, this place is nice. And it's not only for children. You can come, you know, with your spouse and just have a nice little chill. You know, look at that.
I want to go underwater in there.
Ooh, the flow of water, guys. Ooh, look at the turtle. Guys, there's a turtle in it. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? This place is amazing. We're gonna have to come back. Beautiful. Wow.
She's been here since 2001.
Seems friendly too.
Sometimes.
Okay.
She'll try to untie my shoes.
Oh.
A vulture is dangerous.
And then Connor next door, he's a black vulture.
Okay. Let's see Connor, guys. Connor is next door. Oh, this is Connor.
Turtle.
Oh my goodness. It's amazing.
You can go inside now.
I'm so happy I came. Hi, Connor. Hello, beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Hey.
Huh?
Connor is imprinted. When we got, he couldn't live in the wild because he does not know he's a vulture.
How do we go
He
in
was
there?
brought up by humans.
Wow.
So he does.
Yeah.
You down here. Come
Aw.
on.
He's like, not right now.
If you let the birds know.
I'm chilling right now. This place is amazing. I'll come and sit right here with my husband and just chill. Nice. I love the sound of water. So peaceful.
I'm looking for
Take your mind off all the, you know, cares of this world. Hi, Connor. Hello. You heard your name? That's my name. Oh, look at that. It's a must that I come back. Beautiful. I want to go around, like really go around.
I'm going to look for the wood
Gorgeous
spider.
here.
How do we get in there?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Definitely. Before the weekend. Beautiful.
That water's deep.
Guys, look at the children's gift.
Look at this.
Because they finish, you know, their scavenger hunt.
Look at my
That's what they receive for their little gifts. And this is such a cute shell, right? You gonna take care of it, Jerry?
Yes,
I
Mom.
know you will. Oh, this is pretty, Josh.
And on
Wow, look at that.
scavenger hunt,
I like this.
I
It's
have-
nice.
I have 29.
Unique. Wow. Mommy, let me see yours.
One little hole in this one.
Alright.
What's that?
What's the buzz? Crickets. Guys, the place is now closed, but we are going for a little trail. So nice and cool. This is why I love nature so much. I'm just a nature girl. Wow. Wow, Jerry. Wow, there's a river too. Look at these two girls talking about me, guys. You sure? Haley, are you talking about me?
Oh, yes.
Make sure, Haley. Look at this beauty. Wow. It's amazing over here. Guys, honestly, I was a bit discouraged, you know, about coming because we're like, oh, it's not gonna be enough time, you know, for us to like go around and look at the stuff. But it was good, even though we're coming back. because it's so much. I really like it, and the children do love it. Jeremiah is a person that really, you know, is fascinated about animals and stuff. So, you know, I, as a mom, I try my best to, you know, and my husband too. I'm not taking all the credit, baby, you know, but we try our best, like, to give him stuff, like, you know, for him to you know, get a feel of what he's really heading into, because, you know, animals and stuff really do fascinate him. And yeah. Careful. Look at those packs of stone. Thank you, baby. Do not fall in that water. This is a nice hanging spot.
Little boy made these.
How you know?
No, a little boy. Oh, that's a big spider!
You see a spider?
Where? That's a big spider!
Really?
Where? I don't see it. You saw that orange thing.
Oh wow, I don't want to fall. Guys, let's go over here where the little bridge is. Let's go by the little bridge. And I'm turning back soon because it seems like we're alone. Well, around this side. Miss Abigail, I eat you. Want to go eat you now?
No, I just want to go walk with my mom.
Yeah, me know.
The river's so quiet. It's too loud.
It's beautiful out here though. Wow, this little bridge is so strong. It's a little stream. It's beautiful. I'm not going too far. We're not going too far, guys, because this is wildlife.
I don't want
The bears are what? Jerry, the bears are up and they are what? Seeking food, right? And we don't want to be their food, right? I know, sugar. Give me a picture, baby. Jerry, what are you looking for down there?
the fish.
Just the fishes down there? They go by so fast in the water though.
I see them.
What do you found, Joel?
A stick.
You found a stick? Okay.
Where's the fish?
Don't fall in the water, Jerry.
In there. You see them?
Careful, Joel. Do not fall in that water. Look at me and smile. Careful, guys.
I saw one of them pull a bucket and then it fell.
Jeremiah, carefully dropping that.
Oh, black butterfly.
This is my evening, guys. It is lovely. Lovely. We're way in the mountains of Avon. It's beautiful. This is my kind of life though. Nature. I love it so much. The rhythm of nature. You know, I just love that. Right, Joey?
Yes.
I know. You want to go home now?
Yes.
You really want to go home? Let me ask Mr. Nature.
I want to
Nature buddy.
see the sunset.
We're gonna go another day. Joshua, what are you making?
A flag.
Okay. So Jerry, are you ready to go?
No.
See that? I wonder why we're said to be twins, because him not ready to go, me not ready to go. We just love nature. We just love nature, just so. Right, Haley? Right, Haley? You wanna go, Haley? Yep, Haley wanna go eat. Right, Haley Wiley? I know. You did? Wow, you are so creative. That's a pretty flag, Joshi. I'm always so proud of you. Let me take a picture. It's pretty. Nice, Joshi.
Nice. And after I stick the stick in the holes that I made.
Very pretty. You're so creative, Josh. I'm so proud of you, know that?
Yes.
Alright, come sugar.
See you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.